Hello, this is Mr. Tyler at Glenwood High School. We're going to be doing Excel Chapter 4, Project number 2 together. So go ahead and click on that. And then the first thing it's going to tell us to do is make a copy. So I go to File, Make a Copy. And then over here, you're going to put your initials here. So just go ahead and put your initials. And then hit Enter. Once you do, it's going to come up here. It's going to make a copy here. I'm going to go off the original. So make sure, though, you're on the copy. And then right here, it says type in G4. So this is G, and this is 4, equals E4. So E4 right here, times, because this is the commission, times F4. Okay? So trying to figure out how much commission they're going to get off on the sales of a house. Okay, so let's go. This is a real realtor type spreadsheet. So this is how they would figure this. So equals E4. So that's what we got to do. Times, which is Shift 8, and then F4, and then I hit Enter. And then I'm going to drag that down, okay? And once I drag that down, it goes ahead and it puts in all the amounts of what the commission off of this house is. And this is a duplex. And look at some of these figures, by the way, how much money in commission they're actually making. I mean, off of $430,000, 2.5%, you're still making $10,000. That is exactly what the realtor is making. So if you're thinking about real estate, this would be a good occupation to get into. Then it says please color and shade the title Macadamia Realty light blue, and then shade the background light purple. We'll come back to that in a second. I want us to do the sum here. So let's go down here where it says sum equals sum G4 to G26 and hit Enter. So let's type that in. Let's go here. So let's go ahead and type equals, because we're starting a new formula. Okay, anytime you're starting a formula, and then it's very intuitive, so it knows what I want. So go ahead and click on it. It's saying, hey, are you sure that's what you want? Yep. I want to see what the total commissions for all the people that are working for me is going to be. So $419,000. That seems like a lot, but to be quite honest, if we was to total all this up, you would find out, because like this house right here is $1 million. Wow, that's a lot of money. But the fact of the matter is here you go, total commissions, and then don't forget, make sure you type your name down here. So let's go back to please color or shade the title. So right here, back here, light blue. Unfortunately, it is already light blue. And then shade the background of 1A, so 1A to 1G. Oh, so I must have changed my mind and say, hey, I already have it as light blue. Come here, and then you just pick a purple, okay? And that's what happens there, okay? And if you want to actually do the title, so if you was to change this, okay, then you could change the color, text color, to a different color, and then you could change it like blue, light blue here, and then that would do that. So anyway, that's how that is to be finished. Thanks so much.